Hello everybody! Thurtinkle here with Tineke again.
Hello.
So, what are we cooking today, Tineke?
I think we need something quite hearty.
Oh yeah?
And maybe this time with a bit of meat.
Oh, nice.
And I found some lovely lamb shanks
Ooh.
at the butcher's today.
Okay.
And we've got lots of vegetables.
We've
been chopping.
What vegetables have we got then?
So first of all, let me show you this nice pot. This
Oh.
is a tagine.
Tagine.
Yeah? So we'll be cooking this in the oven.
Right.
If you don't have a tagine, you can also use a heavy cast iron pot with a tight lid.
Oh yeah?
Any pot that can go in the oven with a tight lid would be fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So vegetables, we found some squash.
Squash.
There's little baby eggplants. They're
Oh,
nice.
nice.
Yeah. And some carrots, big chunks of carrots. I found some baby capsicum.
Baby capsicum.
Baby capsicum. We're a
Nice.
bit fancy today.
We are.
Lots of chopped tomatoes.
But you can use any vegetables you've got.
Yeah,
That's
you can make
fine.
a mixture of your own. Yeah. What is essential for this, because it's a Moroccan dish, is some preserved lemon.
Oh,
So
where do you get that from then?
You get it from the shops. Yeah.
Okay.
And you can skin it. It's best to skin it, and then to just chop up the flesh.
Okay.
Of the quantity of a small lemon, more or less.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we have onion,
Yep.
garlic,
Mm-hmm.
and some chili and bay leaf and thyme,
Ooh.
and two lovely lamb shanks.
All right.
So we're going to combine all of this in the tagine, starting with a little bit of oil, and basically it's just going to be simmering for about 3.5 hours
Okay.
in an oven. We've switched it on at 150 degrees.
150 degrees.
Yes, that's not very hot, but
No.
it's going to be a slow cook.
3.5 hours slow cook. Okay, let's get started.
All right, onions, and tomatoes, some of everything in there. These are just big chunks, but that's okay because it has lots of time. So I'll put the meat kind of in the middle.
On top.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll start seasoning now because we want lots of this Moroccan spice. Okay.
Ah, right, Moroccan spice. You get that from the shops as well.
Yeah. Pepper, salt. I think I'm going to turn it around and spice it again.
Okay.
Pepper and salt. More vegetables.
Yep.
It's going to be quite full. It's fine.
It is.
Yeah.
And sometimes you have this with couscous, don't you?
Yes, we will be making a little bit of couscous, but it doesn't require a lot of time. The couscous, so we can do that at the end. Yeah. I think it's getting quite full
Wow,
here.
that's a lot.
Yeah. Of course, we need garlic. And we'll need chili. So how are you, Thurtinkle? How are you feeling?
Well, you know, it's not easy being cooped up all the time. But, you know, I tell myself stories, I read books, you know, I get in touch with my friends on the phone and the computer. So, it's all right, really, isn't it? We can cope for a while, I hope.
Yeah. What games do you play? Do you play any
I
games?
love playing games.
Yeah.
Mainly riddles and word games, they're my favourite. Sometimes I do a jigsaw, you know, just to pass the time.
Oh yeah? Jigsaws are good. About drawing, do you draw?
Not my favourite thing, no, I'm not good at drawing. How about you? Do you like drawing?
Yes, I used to like drawing, but I like making a lot. I
All
like
right.
making things with my hands. So
Yep,
yeah,
like
I think I'm
food?
into 3D, like this 3D.
Wow, look at that. That looks great.
Now we're going to put some water over this
All right.
because you want it to really steam inside this pot. Okay, and then more herbs and spices. And more olive oil.
Ah, more oil, of course.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
That's it.
Then what?
And now it's going in the oven,
All right.
and we will leave it there for 3.5 hours.
Okay.